So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2022 which is from the chemical bonding and it is from the paper 1. And if you see here in this question, what has been asked is, for diatomic molecules the correct statement about the molecular orbitals found by the overlap of the two 2pz orbitals are. And if we see here, when the 2p2pz orbital will overlap, so these four type of overlapping can be happen. First one is the, if you see here, the first orbital is sigma orbital. This is sigma orbital. This is sigma star orbital, and this is pi orbital, and this one is pi star orbital. Pi orbitals are found by sidewise overlapping, and sigma orbitals are found by end-to-end overlapping, or the head-on overlapping. So now if you see, first statement is saying sigma orbital has the total of two nodal planes. So if you see here, there are two nodal planes. It is a correct statement, xy plane. So that's why the A statement is correct. Other one is sigma star orbital has the one node in the xy plane containing the molecular axis. So if you see here, sigma star orbitals have three type of nodal planes, and these nodal planes does not contain molecular axis. Molecular axis, this is the molecular axis, so it does not contain molecular axis. That's why this statement is wrong. The other one is pi orbitals has one node in the plane. If you see here, in the plane which is perpendicular to the molecular axis, goes through the center of the molecule. So if you see here, this is the molecular axis, but the plane is not perpendicular to this axis. That's why the nodal plane is not perpendicular to this axis. That's why this statement is wrong. If you see the fourth statement, pi star orbital has the one node in the xy plane containing the molecular axis. If you see here, pi star has the one molecular nodal plane which contain the molecular axis. So this statement is correct. One node in the xy plane containing the molecular axis. So xy plane, this is the xy plane, and it is containing the molecular axis. That's why this statement is correct. So the A and D option should be the correct answer. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for listening.